How to fix MacBook Pro or Air internal speakers not working. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix MacBook Pro or Air internal speakers not working. Alright, so let's begin. So, in order to fix MacBook Pro or Air internal speakers not working, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Restart your Mac and check the audio tab. This step is pretty simple but effective. First, check your audio by pressing the sound keys on your keyboard. If there's no sound, make sure there's no audio playing in the background from any of your browser tabs. Finally, restart your Mac and see if this resolves the issue. Step 2. Check sound for individual apps. Sometimes the problem might be with specific apps. If you're using a browser, play a video with sound and you'll notice a speaker icon on the tab. Double check it to ensure the audio isn't muted. Step 3. Select the right audio device. If you're using external speakers or headphones and still can't hear anything, make sure you've selected the correct audio input-output device. Go to your system settings, click on Sound, and choose the right output device. This might fix the issue. Step 4. Reset core audio. To reset the core audio, open Finder and search for Terminal. Once open, type in the command sudo kill all core audio D and hit enter. If prompted, enter your Mac password. After this reset, check if your sound is working. Step 5. Use Activity Monitor to reset core audio. You can also reset core audio via the Activity Monitor. Open Finder, search for Activity Monitor, and click on it. Under the CPU tab, search for Core Audio D, then select it and click the X button to stop the process. Restart your Mac and see if the issue is fixed. So that's basically how you can fix MacBook Pro or Air internal speakers not working. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more content and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.